It's just I'm not made like other people.
Just go through a lot.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not made for this life.
It's like we can resist them.
And I can't deal with any of it.
Only God
Even
knows.
so, I try every day with all my strength.
Only God knows.
But I just can't deal with any of it.
The life is full of depression, temptation, confusion, affection, no solution. Where am I heading to? Oh, where am I heading to? Oh no.
Purchase your tracks today.
See, I'm all alone. See, I'm all alone. Walking on this lonely road. I'm all alone. See, I'm all alone. Walking on this lonely road. See me carry my load, jajali. Go my boat, jajali, kule. I go reach there. See me man, I go stand very strong. It's someone when me down, but I'm a soldier. I come to conquer. No retreat, no surrender. I'm a warrior, marching through the battlefield. I am fed up. Come and feel me.
Purchase your tracks today.
Come and feel this emptiness. See, I'm all alone. See, I'm all alone. Walking on this lonely road. I'm all alone. See, I'm all alone. Walking on this lonely road. Umanika kule mungyali tete mudagani wala. The life is full of frustration. I need some explanation. I need to find solution. So many stories unto you and nothing from me. I follow who no road. Make I no go lost to Roma dies 50-50. Life is very short too. Make I shoot my shot too. All these enemies, they want envy me. Who be my friend though?